This weight loss snack is guilt-free.
Whole bowl,
It's filled with cucumbers that are full of water. So we're going to chop it up into fours here and add our cherry tomatoes. When you're adding your cherry tomatoes, we want to cut those into halves and just throw them in the bowl with the cucumbers. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. My niece is going to be helping us with this demonstrational video, so some of these may have a little bit of an over pour, but it's alright. We're gauging. So that's 2. One more. Here we go. She helps pour. And let's mix it on in. Alright, so I am doing this with one hand, so please do excuse the fact that you are seeing my niece instead of the food right now. But you get the point. We are mixing the cucumbers, vinegar, and cherry tomatoes together. So here we go. Oh yeah. Alright now, so guys, we're going to add pepper to your desired taste. And the last thing we're going to do after mixing it all up again is putting it in the refrigerator overnight. So enjoy this vinegar-based cucumber salad. So this is a straight-up version. You have the option of zesty or sweet. And that will require 2 additional tablespoons of goodness. You can either do brown sugar or the Italian dressing as shown in the video. I'm going to do a combination of half and half to get a sweet and zesty taste. So we'll just say oops, and maybe we poured in about another tablespoon extra, about 15 calories. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar will be about 30 calories, and 2 tablespoons of the Italian dressing should be about 30 calories. Be sure to check your label to make sure. So here's the 1 tablespoon of Italian dressing going in, and we're going to mix it on up. Next thing we do, put it in the refrigerator overnight and let it soak on in. So these could probably be stored for up to 2 weeks. They are delicious after they soak and get better with time. Thank you for watching, and be sure to click to subscribe and watch our other future videos. This time it is so important to be in a healthy mind, a healthy body, a healthy spirit. I've been focusing on getting myself together, so be sure to watch and follow Envision Builds and Envision Speaks on social media.